Well, the starter came in. Hang on, there we go. There it is for the beast there. Now the fun part is getting those two holes right there to line up to that hole and that hole. Which you would go, oh well, that's simple, that's easy. Well, let me tell you, it's not that simple, it's not that easy, because you got to get a wrench down underneath there. You can see already it doesn't want to go underneath this. And it's stuck. Well, it's stuck. It's already starting to piss me off. And I haven't even gotten started yet. So, I will bring you back, probably set you up on a tripod, do a time lapse, and we will come back after a bit. Okay, I'm back. And guess what I forgot? The wrenches, kind of need them, but this bolt back here, actually to do this you should be taking the flywheel off, but hey, why do that? That just make it too simple and easy. Oh, looky there. It went into place. Kinda. Now if I can just get that bolt back there to thread in. I may have, too fast. Oh. And I know I don't have any really good wrenches out here. Alrighty, I got a few wrenches. Look at these old funky things. Not this one. This is a good wrench. That's a snap-on. These old funky ones here, I've had them around for ages, and they belong out in the garage. That's for hanging more wall art on the garage. But let's see if we can get this thing started. I don't have a book on these, so I'm just doing a whole lot of guessing. I think it started. Pretty sure it did. Let's see. Well, it looks like a 13. Now there is pretty much no frickin' room up underneath there. That bolt is just nope, it didn't start. Gotta kind of pull it over with my finger here. And try to feel for the bolt hole. I'll give you a better view later, so maybe you can see what I'm dealing with here. I think I've got it started. The bolt is right about here. It's under the flywheel. So the easiest way probably would have been to take out these two bolts, take loose this nut, smack it, take off the flywheel. But yeah, why do things the easy way? I mean, that takes all the fun out of the getting irritated and aggravated because things aren't going right. And I can turn it with my fingers, which is faster than turning it with a wrench, but not by much. I got to change fingers. Around we go. Now, you guys are going to see me here in just a little bit. And I don't want y'all getting upset and stuff because I'm not wearing those high fashion jeans that I have been with the patches and the holes. You know, I know that stuff's high fashion. I decided, you know, I'm going to have to just, you know, break down. Those were just a little too warm since it's about 80 degrees out here to wear, and I'm wearing just regular old work clothes. So don't nobody get upset because I'm still a fashion statement in my own world. Alrighty. And you have just seen how to replace a starter on a Craftsman 19.5 twin cylinder mower. And I know you can't hardly see this. And I think I will attempt to clean that before I put it together. I mean, the whole idea is that you get good contact. Although I don't have a battery in here. There is an ignition switch, but I don't know if I got any wires going to it. And I have to reconnect the wires on the other side, which I will. I think I've already shown you, or maybe I didn't. It really isn't cleaning up that well, but it's a little shiny. See? Little. Just a little. Did you see the little? Okay. Now, where are my pliers when I need them? Well, where should they be? In my toolbox, where they belong. Alright, we're going to call it good. and they make things just a tad more tight. I thought that'd be a 10 millimeter. I don't think it's a 13. No. That's a 13 and that's a 10. That's a 14 and a 17. That's an 8 and a 10. So it ain't none of them. You know what? Come on. Oh. It's a 7/16. And voila! Like that, voila? So, that you can see, here's the other bolt. Can you see it? It's clear up underneath the flywheel. There's just room for me to stick my finger between the bolt, top of the bolt, and the flywheel. It just barely threads out. That's reconnected. And next, I've got to come over here, like that cup. You know what? Trying to keep two cameras in focus, it's not easy. Sorry about that. And now there's no room for me over here. But there. You can see the rodents have eaten this wire and this wire, which are these two wires, which I'm going to have to be really careful. And you can see here, maybe you can't, they chewed them all the way up into here. So I'll be replacing those, and then see if I can get the amp gauge put back into place. It's over here. That's supposed to be in the dash. And find a key, if there even is a key. It appears that they did a little work on the lock, the ignition. Okay, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. Treat people the way you want to be treated. It's the best way to be. Thanks for watching. Bye.